Hey guys, sorry I've been pretty out of contact recently. We've recently moved house and getting stuff done, and I'm also in training now for a ultra marathon, which is on Saturday, which is 34 miles across the Dorset mountainy hill things, which is gonna be lots of fun. Okay, we're on our way to the start of this ultra marathon. It's pitch black because it's 6 a.m. No, it's
6:48.
oh wow, and it is absolutely pouring down. It's going to be a really fun day. So anyway, this is how it's going. I'll update you at some point. Probably not going to be able to update you too much because it's raining so much. But at one point when it's not raining, I'll update. Okay, we're going up the hill now. And here we are, slowly going onwards. It's absolutely beautiful views. I've lost the others, but we'll try and find them. I'll turn it around. Here we are, tracing along the track. That's what it looks like. Anyway, got to chase them. This is quite a serious hill. Maybe it should be that way around. Not sure. It's fucking steep. Very steep, I mean. I shouldn't swear. Another incredible cove. We're running. Enjoy what we can. So it's okay. Look over there. I know it's jumping up and down, but it's amazing. And we're on our way back now, and it was a pretty hardcore day. Sadly, I had to pull out because my knee and my ankle were causing so much pain. But I pulled out after 30 kilometers or something. So I did a hefty amount, but anyway, it was a good experience, and I will sort out my limbs and make sure that next time I can do the full thing. Out.